Hey y'all, today I'm going to be sharing with you the easiest way to access and retrieve information from SEC filings. First, go to our website, xinervatech.com. Create an account to log into a web application that adds an analytical and interactive layer to the SEC filings and makes drawing insights from them easier than ever before. You can see here that registering for an account requires no payment information is extremely simple. Once you log in, the first place you'll be taken to is our dashboard. In our dashboard, you can see the latest filed 10Qs and 10Ks, the biggest stock sales and purchases over the past week, and the holdings of institutional investors managing more than $100 million. You can see here that we have a pie chart of their sector breakdown and a bar graph of their top holdings. These graphs are interactive, or if you want, you can choose to view the information in table view as well. So once you go through the information in the top two tables, you can select a specific company to click on, and you'll be taken to the company-centric pages that we've built for every publicly traded company. I can choose specific tables from FactSet's 10Q that I want to see in Excel. So let's say I want the income statement, balance sheet, statement of cash flows, but I also want other tables as well, like revenue recognition and leases. The flag here would select all of them. And as you just saw, we have technology that downloads a folder to your computer in pretty much less than 5 seconds. And when opening the workbook, you can see that the quality of the spreadsheets is extremely high. There's no unusual formatting, and these numbers can easily be used as inputs for your models or further analyzed. However, some tables like revenue recognition and leases show up as merged cells, and as a result, they're not very readable. Even if you were to go to the SEC website, you would find the same problem. That's why we created our proprietary inspect feature at Xinerva Tech. What inspect does is it downloads a folder with all of the tables as their own workbooks. Once I click leases, you can see here that the first table will have all of the information that was originally there. The second tab will have a table that's possibly inside that, and the third tab will have the remaining information. Ladies and gentlemen, do you see how much more readable these tables are with the inspect feature? That's really what differentiates us from competitors and makes our tables more readable. Going back to the tabs in the company-centric page, we've combined our historical SEC data with TradingView APIs to provide you a true comprehensive one-stop shop for all of your financial data. We scraped the latest news articles for you to see what news stories there are. You can choose the technicals tab and conduct technical analysis, where you can add specific technical indicators, or you can compare different equities. We also show you the frequency of the insider trades, so you can see the stocks sold and purchased over the last 10 quarters and 12 months, as well as the latest insider transactions. The institutional holdings tab shows you the biggest movement in institutional money, as well as the top shareholders, people who invested the most money in the company and have dedicated the biggest weight of their portfolio towards that company. The beneficial owners tab shows you who owns more than 5% of the outstanding shares for that particular company. So if you find an institutional investor that maybe has a huge holding in a particular company you're looking at, you can look at what other holdings they have. Going back to the dashboard, there's one more feature I'd like to cover, and that's the 1A and D filings. You can find private placement prospects by searching through company criteria, or you can find specific financial institutions. So if I want to see financial institutions in Texas, that's what I've pulled up here. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.